Nice, we can create a new server. Let's see. Testing another message. Okay, can't delete it. It's also come with the integration. So if you need some cache layer, database, AI integration, so you could go and create that one. So today we try to create the same layout and the application. So we're gonna use this tool called V0 by Vercel. It's been built on Next.js and Tailwind more specifically, if you are curious about that one, and also a TypeScript. So let's go to the ChatGPT creating the project requirement document. So PRD for Discord landing page and application. Use Unsplash for images if needed. Let's enter in the app itself, images, style guideline. Okay, nice, beautiful. This is not relevant, so let's crop this one. Go to v0.dev. You could create a new account if you don't have that one. So for me, I already have one, so I'm gonna go and sign up. Nice. So let's generate. Yeah, one more thing about this one, I love it. It's give you up to 10 credit in a day, which is lovely compared to other tools. So let me pause this video, come back after generate the code. Okay, here we're back about all those files and components and pages. So if you are curious about the code, here's the full code. You could download it here, down the full code. So let's close this one and go to this landing page. Nice. I think this is the old version if we compare it to this one. Yeah, it's the old version. Anyway, not that bad at all. So features, testimony, download. Let's go on login. Okay, now it seems has been created some dummy channels as well. So let's close this one. Go here. So yeah, at least jumping between the channels not working. Same here. There's a few servers have been created. Let's see. Yeah, so it's not possible to create a new server. Was mic. Those functionality are not working it right now. About home. Same thing. People online. Okay. But at least the visualization has been created correctly. Create new channels. Let's see if we could send some messages. Some message to group. Send. Okay, so this one is working. Okay, beautiful. Settings is not working. Okay, how about here? Let's ask it again. There are some features or buttons that not working. Could you fix them? So there are some features and button has been fixed. If something happened and still keep loading, so just hit the refresh button. and navigation working, download server, chat functionality, authentication, member interaction, user control. Beautiful. So let's switch between channels. Nice. Yeah, we can't create new channels, but at least we get those to work. Yep, those are action is not working. Changing between different server still function. Right list has been fixed. Nice, we can create a new server. Let's see. Testing another message. Work. Can delete it. It's also come with the integration. So if you need some cache layer, database, AI integration, so you could go and create that one. So that was all for this video. See you next one. Bye.